It's a fact. Smoke alarms save lives. Today's fires burn faster and hotter. You and your family may only have a few minutes to get out of your house, escape from a fire's toxic smoke. Make sure you have working smoke alarms on all levels of your home. If your smoke alarm has batteries, change them when we change our clocks. Smoke alarms typically last 7 to 10 years. Newer alarms have an expiry date printed on the side. Remember, early detection is your best chance of surviving a fire. Only working smoke alarms save lives.